Hello, my wonderful people. Hello, my friends. How are you? As you can see, I'm still in Seoul, in South Korea. And well, in this video, I'm gonna be giving you tips of where to stay, and I'm gonna be showing you also my hotel room and which location. So probably when traveling to Seoul or to any country, you want to Seoul, to any city, any country, you want to stay as central as possible. So well, I'm gonna give you tips of probably some of the best parts in which you can stay. Basically, the most central area will be nearby Hongik University or Dongyeok area as well, or Itaewon. If you don't mind taking the public transport and be a little bit more far, like probably 30 minutes from the center, from the most central part of the touristic activities and things to see, then you can stay in Gangnam, which is where I'm staying. And you will be staying in the district that inspired PSY for the famous song Gangnam, the very viral song Gangnam. Yes, I stay in this area because it offered me like the best rate when looking for rooms, and I didn't mind taking the public transport. So it is really up to you. I'm gonna be showing you also the room and the hotel where I'm staying. So yes, I mean, I will suggest in the first place Hongik University area, which is very famous for its university and for being a university area with a lot of bars, clubs, restaurants. It's popularly known as Hyundai. Itaewon is a really good place to stay as well. Gondeok, which is only a few meters from Hyundai, it's really good as well. Yes, I mean, everywhere you stay in Seoul, it's good. There is no like good areas or bad areas, but depends on what you want to do. If you want to visit like the Gyeokbokgung Palace, Chandeokgung Palace, and all the tourist activities, probably Hyundai is the best area to stay. I'm walking right now throughout the area of Gangnam, and as you can see, there are restaurants around, convenience stores, coffees, Starbucks, taxis everywhere. And yes, I mean, the price that I paid for 10 nights in the district of Gangnam, it's of roughly $700 US, which is not bad at all. And if you take the metro, it's only half an hour towards the very central area of Seoul. So yeah, I mean, if you want to save some money, there are always offers. I always book with booking.com. So that was the best offer I found, which I don't find it bad at all. In the area of Hyundai, when I was searching, it was a bit more expensive. Also, I've been told that in Gangnam, the rooms are much bigger than in any other areas, as it is a business district. Yeah, you can see very like skyscraper sort of hotels, buildings. Yes, so I'm gonna walk towards the hotel right now. I'm gonna show you which hotel it is. It's a bit cloudy today, but luckily it's been really good days here. It rained only once during these 10 days I have been. I'm leaving tonight, so this is my 10th day. So yeah, like very vibrant part of the city. And in here as well, you got the popular hands of PSY Gangnam Style by the Coeds Mall Center. So yeah, you got that mall as well, the Coeds Mall, in which you can find pretty much everything, restaurants, bars. If you want to buy your SIM card, you can buy it over there. This one is the hotel that I'm staying, the Glad Gangnam Coeds Hotel. can see it's a huge building, and yeah, it just had all the amenities that basically I needed. Here we got a small cafe, bar, selection of wines, area to sit, work or study, elevators, reception. So I am on the 12th floor, and yeah, my room number is 1201. So let's show you the room. Okay, let's turn on the lights. So yeah, this is the toilet, all the basic amenities, soap, shower, hello, soap, shampoo, air conditioning. Got the toilet, very modern. You can control the water pressure, put the heating on the chair. It's like very Korean, Japanese style of toilet, so you can do quite a lot of things. Towels. So yeah, I have 2 beds, even though I am on my own. Got a desk, water, place to hang your clothes. Got really nice messages in the room as well. Actually, a nice TV, good size TV, a fridge, kettle. So yeah, quite, let's say, good, and a really nice view of the district of Gangnam. Really nice view. You can see from here like the nice screens. So yeah, this is the hotel that I stayed, the Gangnam Hotel Coets. So yeah, I mean, this is being all for this video. Remember to leave a comment below if you have visited Gangnam district before, or which areas we recommend to stay. What do you think about this area? And yeah, just leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you in the next video, guys. Travel wonderful.